I think it's toothbrush set. Tinkerbell toothbrush set.
Toothbrush set, no toothbrush.
Yeah, there's a toothbrush in it. There's a toothbrush in it. Whoa, look at those boots.
Oh, look at that, boots.
Wow, look at those boots. Those are very cool. Look at those.
Darn fast, I can't get a picture of her without.
You gonna put your boots on?
Let me get this one.
Yeah,
Okay.
Go for it.
This is from Aunt Lorelei too.
Rip it open. Rip it. Yeah.
Oh, what'd you get?
What is it?
Bed set for your bed?
What is it? Wow, who's on it?
You never get her without her moving.
Who is that?
Tinkerbell too.
Yeah,
Does that go on your bed?
that goes on your bed.
Like, yeah, okay. What's next?
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
This one is open.
you open that one.
Ay.
Oh, this one's from Papa. Papa Jerry. There's a letter in there that he wants us to read. I'll read it to you in a little bit.
Should get the box open.
Yeah, I only put one little piece of tape on it.
Where's the top? Can you open the top?
Maybe you should help her, babe.
Come here, stand right here. Come here. Here. Look what's in here. Whoa, look at all that stuff.
Daddy, please go Jerry.
Rachel, we'll go fishing later. Come on. Look what's in the box.
Shouldn't hear open that one last.
Pull out that stuff. What
What's
is
he
it?
got then? What is it?
I think it's face paint. Wow, face paint for your face.
Here, go.
Wow. Whoa, what is that?
That's it in the water.
Yeah, is that a water gun?
Every time I decide to take a picture, she moves.
Wow. It's exciting.
This
Water
has got
guns.
paws on it, you know.
Woohoo! Stuff to torture mommy with. Awesome.
What is it?
She knows.
Well, you got all kinds of goodies in there.
What are they supposed to be? Big water gun?
Mm-hmm. He loves water guns.
Oh,
It's really about water.
I think so. Yeah, and you put that right back in there and then it won't splash all over you, see, for that hole. Get it in there.
Take it over.
Man, a whole bunches of them.
Wow.
What's that? Brushes?
Two. Mommy, would you open this?
No, not right now, honey. You open the rest of your presents and then we'll play with stuff. Okay?
Yeah, what you got there? Oh, you don't open them that way. That's just to keep your brushes in there. Look at the brushes you got. Huh? What color is that one?
Brown.
Yeah, that one there's brown. That one there's
Right.
red. That's right.
What's in that bag over there?
Yeah.
What's in that bag?
What's in that bag?
Oh, I missed the box.
Ah!
Rachel. Just go over in the corner and open your presents. What is it?
Who is it?
Is that Ariel? Ariel? On the counter?
Is that a mermaid?
Richard, open this. Richard, open this for me. What's the mermaid?
Okay. Keep opening presents and we'll open that one. I don't know. Wait, is that? No, that's the last one you open.
Yeah, it's too late. She's it.
Oh, go ahead. Go ahead.
What is that?
My doggy.
No, I don't think that's a doggy.
That's a horsey.
Yeah.
A horsey. You got a horsey in that box.
Daddy, why don't you show her how it works?
Holy moly. That's a horsey and
Oh, it's alive!
I can do it.
Well, let's get him out of there.
It's okay. Horsey, I'm going to give away.
Oh.
Oh, Horsey, you can get out of there.
That's Buttercup.
Hurry is. It's on the carrot. Her and the carrot.
You put his bag? Put it right there. Now push right here. Right here.
Daddy, where'd you get this out?
You like that? Hang on, gotta wait. Gotta get it untied here.
Look at this
They
ear.
come up with a dad and stuff, you know.
What do you think? Do you like him, Rachel?
He sounds a lot like you.